morning, my name is Paul Truax from Cruisers Customs. I'm at the 2018 SEMA show. My Wizard's Pro tip of the day is that I use mist and shine on the finish of this car. I find that I use it on everything. It's a multiple purpose product. Whenever we have cars we want to present that have no tire shine, like the 32 Roadster, this one in particular, I use the mist and shine on the tires so it doesn't have a glossy finish by the time it's done, just black. So some people think that you need a different product for cleaning on different surfaces of the car. I use the mist and shine on all this, paint surfaces, chrome surfaces, wheels, tires, even interior and glass. It keeps me from having to switch out to different products.